I'm taking a break for a minute, right? Just gonna chill out, get my head together. I'm still shaking from that last fish. I still see stuff going on out here. It's just amazing. It's just what happens when you go out and you actually go out and explore and try to learn and figure stuff out. I mean, this is like the best part of fishing. I mean, absolutely incredible. I mean, new spot. It's absolutely beautiful here. I mean, I'm not sure what I'm doing. Oh my God, there's something over there. But there's definitely fish here, and I'm figuring it out. And I mean, the feeling that you get when you actually do something right, it's actually so incredible. It's just, I can't explain it. Just knowing that you took the time to do this and you found the spot, and it's absolutely epic. It's just the best feeling ever. Seriously. There we go. Oh, I missed it. Damn. Oh, missed it again. Missed it again. That time. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, that's a huge snook. That's no joke. That's no joke. That's so no joke. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's ridiculous. Wow. Wow, I guess it pays to come back, guys. Guess it pays to come back. There's another fish right there. Wow. Absolutely stud snook. I mean, hammered it. I mean, hammered it. Wow. Wow. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh my God. Freaking awesome fish. Wow, there he goes. There he goes. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Right? You wonder why I came back here, right? Oh my God. Absolutely amazing fish. It's got me around backwards. Oh my God. Let's do a spin. Here he comes. Oh my God. Silly snook. Oh my God. Like you wouldn't believe, guys. Absolutely amazing. Wow. Wow. Yep, I'm glad I came back. Super glad I came back. Oh my God. Oh, he's so perfect too. Oh, perfect. Oh, man. What are you going to say about this? I mean, seriously. Wow. Oh. Just silly. Silly. This one's, oh my God, this is bigger than the last time. She's fat. Super fat. I don't want to talk too loud because there's some people around. I don't want to see what the hell I'm doing. But geez Louise. I got a mess going on too. No, I'm not letting you go, baby. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Are you frigging kidding me? Are you serious? Does it get any better than this? Look at this. This fish is absolutely amazing. Wow. He's definitely bigger than the other ones. Wow. Absolutely awesome. Beautiful, heavy, heavy fish. Wow. I'm gonna let her go. Yep, I'm recording. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Absolutely amazing. That's trophy class snook on the kayak. You gotta love it. Gotta love it. and I just got here. Hopefully it'll get better. Wow, she's beautiful. I think she's ready. What do you think? Look how thick that thing is. See that across the back? Absolutely freaking huge. There she goes. I'm so shaken right now. Absolutely amazing, incredible. Wow. I mean, the girth on that fish doesn't get any better than that. All right, let's go check it out and see if we can get another one. There we go. That one. Oh, I lost him. Damn it. Jeez. That was cool. All right, guys, check it out. We're going to give these guys a break for a couple minutes. Seems like the tarpon kind of got smart after I actually jumped two. One I didn't get on camera, so the one I did, but they got kind of smart. So we're going to go check out this other spot I've been wanting to look at anyways back here and see if we can get on some more fish. So hopefully we will. Wow, this is super cool. Absolutely beautiful back here. So there's something right there. Oh, here it is. It opens up. Oh boy. Oh, I hope this is good. Wow. That's what I was hoping for. Hopefully there's enough water in here to hold fish. Oh my God. Scary. There's definitely some fish in here. I don't know what's going on though. I haven't got any hits yet. Could be a big ass gar. I have no idea. Oh, I'm shaking and I haven't even caught a fish yet. Gotta make sure the weather keeps off me. I think I'm gonna get clobbered by the rain. I don't see why fish wouldn't get back up in here, but you never know, right? Oh, there's a fish right there. So I want to say yes. That was probably a snook. Oh, there we go. That's a good one. That's a good fish. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh my God, that's a real good fish. Oh, that's a huge snook. I knew there was going to be fish in here. Knew it. Knew it. Wow. He's going to run. There he goes. Wow. 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 Knew there was fish in here. Knew it. Knew it. Oh, it's a massive snook. That's no joke. That's like ridiculously big. Oh my God. He's freaking out too. Oh my God, he's got so much weight to him. Oh, I hope I don't lose this fish. I know he's huge. Oh my God, he's huge. Wow, he's monstrous. Here he comes. Oh, he's big. So big. Wow. Knew there was going to be fish back here, guys. Knew it. Oh my God. Oh my God, he's stupid. He's ridiculously huge. I mean, you wouldn't believe how big this fish is. Come on. Oh. Wow. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my God. What a fight. What a fight. Oh my God. That's what happens when you go in these places where nobody goes, right? Oh, please don't let him get freed off. Oh my God. Oh my God, please don't let me free him off. Please. Oh my God, please don't let me free him off. I can't stop him, really. He's just kind of doing what he's doing. Just got to tire him out. I also want to pull the stake out. Oh my God, this fish is crazy. He's got so much power. I think got him. Hopefully. Wow. Wow. My arm hurts. Right? Here he comes. Hopefully. Please. Please. God, this fish is strong. Oh my God, this fish is strong. He's got it so weird in his mouth too. Oh my God, he's got it so weird in his mouth. No wonder. Oh my God. Easy, 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 easy. Oh my God, absolute giant, giant fish. Oh my God. Freaking beast. Beast. Whew. What a fight. I mean, incredible. Let's get these hooks out of your mouth so I don't get them in my hand. Wow. Trouble is far away from me. Alright. Let's see. Oh my God. Yeah, boy. How about that? Snook number 2, right? Not catching many today, but kind of making up for it with the size versus the quantity, right? He's a little bit smaller than the other one, but man, he fought like hell. Jesus Christ. How about that? Absolutely awesome, awesome, awesome fish. Oh my God. I'm gonna go put it back. Absolutely extraordinary fish, right? Doesn't get any better than that. Wow. I mean, seriously. Look at the back on that one. How about that, guys? Right? There she goes. See ya. Absolutely amazing, guys. Amazing. Getting off the beaten path down here and just I mean, reeling into some absolutely awesome, awesome fish. But I'm gonna go at it some more and see if we can get on another one. God, freaking amazing. That's a good fish. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, that's a big fish. Wow, just hit that little zoom. That's another big snook. Wow. Wow. How about that? How about that? On the zoom this time. The little baby zoom. Oh my God. There's a gator here too. Nice fish though. He's gonna run. He's gonna run. There he goes. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Number 3, guys. Number 3. Just freaking stupid. Stupid. Got a little baby hook in it too. I was looking for tarpon on this thing, not a snook. But you know what? I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining at all. Come here, buddy. Deep. Oh, he's going deep. Wow. Wow, what a fish. What a fish. Oh my God. You gotta be kidding me. Wow. Absolutely insane, guys. Light tackle. Doesn't get any better than this. Does it? I'm gonna say no. Where's my gator friend? Oh my God. These fish are absolutely amazing. So much power. Oh my God, he's going around the boat. Oh my God, he's going around the boat. Oh, he's right there. Jesus. Oh no, no, no. He's on the pole. He's not on the boat. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God, perfect hook set too. Perfect hook set. Absolutely perfect. Number 3. Number 3. Oh my God, look at that. The hook just fell right out. Oh, it's starting to rain. Wow. He's a comparatively speaking, he's the smallest one out of all of them, but I'll tell you what, he had a lot of heart. He fought pretty damn hard. It's starting to rain. I'm going to let him go real quick. Number 3. friggin' amazing. Just super, super special place this is. No, man. Sometimes I'll tell you what, just it's just all worth it. It's always all worth it. God dang. Absolutely amazing. See you, dude. There we go. Another nice fish. Wow. Definitely another nice fish. Stand still. Wow. On a zoom. Oh, the lightning's friggin' cracking. Oh my god. I gotta sit down. Oh my god. I gotta sit down. Can't sit down. The wind's picking up. Oh my god. It's nasty. It's right there. Oh my god. Beautiful fish. Damn. Number 4, guys. Number 4. I am totally out of my element too. Oh my god. Like a mess. Right now. Oh no. 100% a mess. Oh my god. I drag him over. Okay, I gotta sit down. I gotta sit down. Oh my god, I gotta sit down. There he is. Hooked perfectly. Huge fish. Huge. Wow. Lightning's really coming down. This is spooky, but oh, wow. I mean, seriously. That's number 4, guys. Look right in the corner. Oh. Wow, wow, oh, shaking, 100% shaking. Oh, it's crazy, absolutely crazy. Number 4, guys, number 4, about to get electrocuted, but damn, it's worth it. Well, maybe not worth getting electrocuted, but look at that fish. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful fish on the zoom, on the zoom. All right, I gotta go, man. Friggin' before I get killed out here. Wow. Number 4. Jeez Louise. He's so spunky too. Still. Come out. Look at him. Freaking awesome fish. Come on, buddy. Be on your way. There you go. Wow. Wow, standing up totally caught me off guard too. But I got to get out of here, man. It's just the weather's getting absolutely crazy. There's lightning bolts coming down all over the place, but I really don't want to leave, but really don't want to get electrocuted either. So I guess that's about it for today. So thanks for liking, sharing, subscribing, all that good stuff. There we go. Another fish. Oh, they're getting a little smaller. I was on my way out, guys, and oh, it's a tarpon. Oh damn, how about that? I thought it was a snook. Well, it's a little tarpon. Nice. On the way out, guys, on the way out. That'll work. Wow. Little bonus on the way out. Gotta love it. Beautiful little tarpon. Wow, he's so pretty. Man, look how dark his back is. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful fish. All right, let's go let him go. The weather's definitely coming in on us. Wow. Check him out. See you, dude. All right, I'm out of here. Time to go. There you go. It's a good fish. Oh, it's a good fish. Oh, it's another nice snook. Wow, on the way out on the zoom. Jeez Louise. Didn't even expect that. I thought it was a tarpon. Wow. Wow. Number 5, guys. Number 5. What a stellar day. Oh my God, what a stellar day. Oh my God. Awesome, awesome. Awesome. I'm recording. Alright. About to get clobbered by the storms. Friggin', I don't care. Doesn't matter. Oh my God. Stick up. Oh, I've got to stick this guy up. Come on. Oh. Wow. 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 That's solid. That is so solid. Oh my God. Absolutely epic day of snook fishing back here in the backwaters. Look at that. I mean, what do you say about this besides the fact that it's awesome? I mean, what else can you say? Absolutely, it's crazy. Look at that fish. Oh my God. Wow. I'm going home after this. I'm going home. Oh. Wow. There was another fish right there. That was a mullet. I got no words this time, guys. This is fish number 5. 6 if you want to include the tarpon, but absolutely silly. Just friggin' crazy. Wow, there's fish all around me too. Just, I mean, look at that thing. Does it get any better than that? I mean, seriously. Just friggin' silly. These are days. These are days you dream of, pretty much. I mean, look at that. On the way out the door, guys. On the way out the door. Jeez Louise. Just beautiful fish. Beautiful. See you, dude. No, I didn't go home. Yes, I was trying to go home. Now I'm going home. Before I get killed by this weather coming in. Check it out. It's time to go. See you.